Okay, what letter is it, baby?
F.
How it sound? How the letter F sound? Good job. What word is it?
Number 4.
4. So what is the first sound of number 4? Good job. What is that?
Fox.
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 What is the first sound? No. Fox.
Fox.
Good job. What is it? Che. What is the first sound? No. Che. Che is ch. Che. So this one is right. Give it a tick. Give it a tick. Okay. No, you don't connect. Give it a tick because it starts with F sound. This one fox also start with F sound. Okay. Fox.
Fox.
Okay. Give it a tick. Baby, give it a tick. Okay. Right. Chain. Chain. So no tick, right? Not start with fur. What word is it?
Fish. Fish.
Okay, so tick or not? Tick, right? Okay. You draw a line. Yeah. What is it?
Go.
God.
God.
Okay. What is the first sound? No. Go. So no tick because it's not start with the F sound. Okay, good job, baby.